This is my title, Simulation of Controlled Drug Spraying from Space Atmosphere with Cryo-Nano Technology. It's very important and new area. Firstly, my biography. I'm a student from School of Pharmacy at Medipol University. I received my PhD degree, Graduate School of Natural Applied Sciences and Chemistry, Biochemistry, Karadeniz Technical University. And in my area interested including health sciences, medicine, basic biological spectroscopy, biochemistry, biophysics, biomolecules, proteomics, etc. I am closely related to topics such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and innovative techniques. Nowadays, I have 4 doctorate students who work about nanotechnology and control release, nutrigenetic, apitherapeutic, toxicology, geriatric nutrition. And I, who am an associate member of the European Materials Modeling Council, had International Young Scientist Award 2020 on Engineering, Science and Medicine from VD Good Technology Factory. Yes, firstly, cryo-elemental layers were formed using mobile ions such as potassium and chlorine and meteoric stellar energies. You can see the meteoric stellar energies, atmospheric barrier in the our world atmosphere and very effectively energy spreading, and we can use the modeling energy and potassium and chlorine ionic affecting and nanotechnology combining simulation form. This is the space atmosphere stellar energies, some plate link on cubic and any orthogonalic forms, mathematical models, and the other form. A frozen hydrated nanoparticle suspension can be analyzed by cryogenic transmission electron imaging. You can see the electron imaging and like some cold particle, and you can see the time resolve imagination filming or image programming and etc. and time of the line servant, energy barrier and etc. combining. In this study, nanotransferosome formulations obtained from herbal extracts in drug form were sprayed onto simulated layers formed by cold ionic forms emitted from star energies. You can see any kind of planting and a kind of particles, for example, liposome, graphene oxide, any kind of transferosomic form, but transferosomic form very effectively because very flexible nano spraying form. And you can see the nebulizer nano spraying form and some particles combined emission the star energies with the energies simulated from the layers formed of the cold ionic forms. And the spray aerosols are included in our oxygen system with rain clouds in the stratosphere layer and participate in simulated respiration. You can see the some atmospheric oxygen and raining into the area or our body, or sneezing and our alveoli and the Jacobian forms of alveoli and simulating some particles, including the any kind of diseases damage of the on the alveoli, for example, damage the COVID-19, etc. And then in simulated respiration herbal medicine forms that move away from cold cryo ions with hot breath are dispersed into the body in a controlled manner. You can see emulsion, hot air, and the other hot air, and the particulated nanoforms, and the ventilator patients, liquid phase reservoir, and the buffer reservoir. You can use some essential oils, a kind of the plants from, and including the nano material, for example, transferosmic form, is very high effectively bronch, alveolus, etc. You can use the any kind of diseases, alveolic diseases. You can solve the problem. And this simulated system demonstrated that aerosol spraying from the space atmosphere to the mass population could be successfully performed. You can see the any elemental and the periodical 3D platform, radius and intensity mathematical models calculating concave and convex calculations, and the coordinate xn in the atomic structures. You can think about the successful form in the space atmospheric form, and the energy body nearly and closely, very effectively, which kind of the effect element or which kind of the closed form is suitable. You can thinking and very simulating form. And my references, thank you very much for you. Nanotechnology is very popular in the future. Nanotechnology, very innovative techniques in the futures equally. Thank you very much for your audience and asking questions.
Yes, Dr. Ozan. Is there any questions from audience? Yes.
No question, I think.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And with this, we are going to finish the.
I am listening for you. Very good presentations. Thank you.
Yeah. With this, we are going to finish the day one, and we will be meeting again tomorrow at 11 o'clock GMT. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Today is finished. Today is finished.
Yes, today is finished.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
See you later.
Last speaker is not able to join, so that's the reason we are closing up with this talk.
Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.